Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a selected file is not supported for upload in Google Docs. So if you are encountering the error that says selected files is not supported for upload in the Google Docs, it means that the file type you are trying to upload isn't compatible with Google Docs. So this is how you can fix the issue. So Google Docs supports specific file formats. So you need to make sure that your file is on the right format. So the file format that is supported on Google Docs is .doc or .docx or .odt, .rtf, .txt or .html or .htm. You can also it's also support spreadsheets, presentation, and also PDF formats, and also image files, but for insertion only, not direct editing. So if your file is in unsupported format, you can just convert it to one of that Google Docs accepts that I told you before. You can use a converter like a Cloud Convert or Zamzar to convert the file, or you can just find it file converter on the browser. You can just find it, and there will be lots of options in here that you can choose. You can also use Office software to open the file. You can just use our software like Microsoft Word, LibreOffice, or WPS Office. And after that, you can just save or export the file in a Google Docs compatible format. And you can try to upload the file again. You can just open your Google Drive, click on New, and then File Upload, and select the converted file to upload. Open the file in Google Docs by right-clicking it and select Open With and choosing Google Docs. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.